Alright, so I'm going to be trying to unlock the Little Fist mutation so I can put my power drop to good use. So, I went and killed a few red ants, still didn't get it. I punched down a wolf spider, people. A wolf spider. And I still didn't get it. So, we're going to try something a little different, and hopefully it works out. I'm not 100% sure how it's going to work out, but I'm gonna grab my red ant armor here. Wait, how did you get in here? How did you? Wait, what? Ugh. Wait, how did you get in here? And how do I get you out?